Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, for those of you that don't know me, and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today's video, it's gonna be a vlog behind the scenes of me prepping for my son's birthday. Morning! So it's Saturday, May 20, and it's Jayden's birthday party today. So I just got up, got ready, just blow dry my hair, and we're gonna start cleaning up, like, moving things around to wait for the person that's gonna come and decorate and do the whole entire setup then. So that's what we're gonna do now early. I think the hubby was cleaning the pool. I don't know where he went, but I have goodie bags there. I have the waters. I did like a bunch of things yesterday. So yes, let's get it. I still can't believe that my little boy is turning 6. Well, he turned 6 already. And oh my God, he wanted another birthday party. And of course, he wanted another pool party this year. And we have to deliver, you guys. And the theme this year was Mario, Super Mario Bros. That's what he wanted. And I think we deliver. He was so happy when he saw everything come together. So here we are. Hubby was cleaning the pool. Then I went ahead and started moving this table from here because this is where the birthday setup background thing it's gonna go, and we just give it a quick cleanup, nothing crazy because with the kids it's gonna get all dirty again. And the hubby went ahead and removed the covers from a furniture outdoor and prepped the area, and boom, we just got the bounce house, and it was so cute with a Mario banner and everything. So this year I wanted to make things simple and save money where I can. So we headed to a local supermarket where I ordered the cake. I also ordered some cupcakes and some catering platters because this mama is tired. There's no way I'm gonna spend time in the kitchen. So I got some subs, some wraps, and some fruit salad. And then my mom came with some food for the adults. First time ever that I bought a store cake and I tried to decorate it on my own. It turned out pretty good, you guys, for the exception that I messed up a little part where you're gonna see it. But I bought like all the toppers stuff at Amazon, and then Jayden had a bunch of Mario toys that I decided to add them as well into the cake. So that's where I messed up. You see it there? I put a little star because I hit it with the knife by mistake. But here I am just decorating the cake, and this is a great idea for you guys to just buy a store cake, which saves you so much money instead of buying a themed cake, which I was quoted for almost $400 for a Mario cake. And with less than $110, I purchased cupcakes and a cake. So yeah, go figure. This is how it turned out, with the exception of the little hiccup that we had in the front. So I got these cute Mario themed little goodie bags on Amazon, and look how cute they look. I used my bar card to put them, and then finally the decorator got there, and you guys, she surprised me with the cutest Mario backdrop ever. I was not expecting that. Man, I was surprised. Imagine Jay. Jay was like, "Oh my God, how cute!" Mario and Luigi. He loved it. I love the colors. Everything was just perfect. And this is how everything looked. I honestly was running behind, and while we were finishing things up, people started getting there, so it was hard for me to record. But here's what we have. This is how the Super Jayden background looks with the Mario, the little goodie bags, and then I added the cake, some cupcakes, and some donuts, and it was time to enjoy it. The kids had a lot of fun, and I still can't believe my little boy just turned 6. Oh my goodness, I have a big boy now. So here they are. They have so much fun, and the piñata was a total fail. I got that one from Amazon, and by the time we hang it, the top part broke, so we just have to improvise here. But the kids still were so excited. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. God bless.
Part of me, the mansion in my dreams.